Hey guys, it's Sam from Family Handyman and welcome to Under the Hood. Today I'm going to show you how to check your car's tire pressure. So let's get started. To check the tire tread, it's actually really easy. All you need is a tire tread gauge like this. And what this does is it actually measures the amount of tread left on the tire. It'll tell me the exact measurement so I can monitor it as the tire becomes more worn out. Basically push down this little flange like that. The housing is going to rest flush on the tire into one of the center grooves. And that's gonna tell me a measurement of the depth of the tread. So it looks like my tread is about 7/32, which is good. That means I do not need to replace my tires yet. If it gets to 4/32 or below, it's time to replace the tires. So the first thing we have to do before we start putting air into the tire is looking at what PSI level this tire needs, and each tire is different. The range typically falls between 30 and 32 PSI. A good way to find out what it is really quickly on your vehicle is open up your driver's side door jamb, and there's gonna be a sticker there that says what is the recommendation level for the front tires and the rear tires. First thing I have to do is remove the cap. Next thing, I want to check the tire pressure with my tire pressure gauge. 10 seconds until I get a reading. This is at 23.5 PSI, so that's obviously a lot less. Now I'm going to inflate the tire with some air, and to do that I need an air compressor. So I'm gonna place it on there, lock it. Awesome, we're at 32, so the tire is fully inflated, so I'm gonna remove the compressor. If your tire is filled with too much air, it's really easy to deflate some of that air out by using a small tool. Gonna screw that cap back on nice and tight. Once you refill the tires, you have to reset the button so the car knows that the tires have been filled with air. I will show you where the button is for this car. It's right underneath the steering wheel. So I'm gonna hold this for about 3 seconds, and now the car knows that it's time to reset that sensor. If you notice that your pressure sensor light is not turning off right away, you might have to drive the car around for about 10 miles. And for more videos like this, check out familyhandyman.com.